નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ થર્ડ, સબ્જેક્ટ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ, ચેપ્ટર નંબર 5, our first school home. Good morning, students. How are you all? See, when you are grown up, you don't know anything. Means how to speak, how to walk, how to run, how to sit. But slowly, when you grow up, you comes to know each and everything. And how you come to know all these things? Because you are not going to the school yet. So who teaches you each and everything? So the family members of your house teaches you all the things. Means you learn all these things from your house itself. So we can say that your house is your first school. So let us start our fifth chapter, that is our first school home. Right? See, before the 3 years old, you are not going to the school, but still you learn the good habits, as if the togetherness, means how to live together with each other and cooperate with each other in the family. Then respect the elders and obey the orders or commands of them. We all learn these good habits from our home itself. Okay, so before going to the school, we know all these things: how to speak, how to sit, how to walk, how to run. So these are taught by us, our family members. So we can say that our school is our first home. See, I will give you an example that there was a boy whose name was Raj. So it was his first day of the school. So when he went to the school, the teacher asked him some of the questions like ABCD or 1, 2, 3, right? So when the teacher asked the questions, he given all the correct answers. So the teacher said that, see, he has the first day of the school, still he knows the many things. So he was thinking that this is the first day of his school. So how he came to know all these things? From the home. Right? So like you also, when you came to the school for the first time, you will also know many of the things. Right? So we can, in short, we can say that we learn many of the things before going to the school from our home itself. So our home is our first school. Now let us do some exercise related to this chapter. So here there is a question, means who all are there in your family? Means family means the person or the members that live with you in your house, they are called your family. So here you have to write who all are there in your family and write their names and how they are related to you. Means you have to write the name of your family members and your relation with that person. Okay? Means if he is your father, then you have to write his name, and in relationship you have to write father. If grandfather, then write grandfather. Okay? Like that you have to write the name of the members of your family and your relation with him. Okay, understood everyone? So I will write here about my family, but you don't have to write this. You have to write about your family. Okay. So now the first one is name. So here I will write a name, that is Amrutlal, and the relation of this person with me, it means he is my grandfather. So I will write here in relation grandfather. Now the next person is Pushpaben, and she is my grandmother. So I will write here grandmother. Okay. Now I will write here Govindbhai, and he is my father. So here I will write father. Okay. Now the next is Prabhaben, and he is my she is my mother. See, I have written here the names of my family member, but you don't copy this, you have to write the name of your family members. Okay. Now here I will write the name, that is Jatin, and relationship with him is he is my brother. Okay. Now next is I will write here Nisha, and she is my sister. Okay. So these are the name of my family members and my relation with them. So all of you understood what is asked in this question? Now the next question is, write the relationship between any two members of your families. So now you have to write the name of two members of your family and the relation between them. Okay, such as husband wife, brother sister, then mother daughter. Okay, so here it is given one example, that Ramesh bhai and Rupal. So this both the person relationship with each other is uncle and niece. So like this, you also have to write the name of two persons of your family and their relationship with each other. Okay. So I am writing about my family, but you don't have to copy this, you have to write about your family. Okay. So the first one I will write about Govindbhai and Jatin. So the relationship of these two persons is father and son. See, he is my father and he is my brother. So they both have the relation of father and son. Now, Payal and Jatin. So these both are sister and brother. Okay? Now I have written Prabhaben and Payal. So their relation is mother and daughter. So like this only you have to write the name of your two members of your family and their relation with each other. Okay, so this you have to write about your family. Now in this chapter there is given the story of a boy named Salman and his family. So Salman is living with his family and the main person of his family is doing the work of dhobi. Dhobi means a person who washes our clothes and iron it. So every person or the members of his family also help him in doing his work, like they help in washing, drying and ironing the clothes. Even Salman and his cousin Rafiq also like this work, and they learn many other things also from his family. Like his uncle has taught him how to ride a cycle. See, you also learn many things from your family, na? Like your uncle teaches you how to play different games or ride a bicycle, etc. So our family teaches us many things. So our family is our first home. I hope everybody has cleared this chapter. Thank you for joining us.